Hey everyone! Today I want to show you how to use Twilio in order to create automated voice messages. Automated voice messages are basically messages converted into speech using text-to-speech technology, and using Twilio we can use text-to-speech messages in order to make an automated call where no one actually has to be in person talking. And that is why Twilio, and especially the Twilio voice SDK, is pretty awesome. Basically, all we need to do is say to Twilio, speak this message. And Twilio uses a special format that is Twilio markup language. So you have to create an XML file that contains Twilio markup language code that basically looks like that. So I'm sorry. This is basically the format they're using. But for our instance, we just want to trigger a voice message or like a text speech message. And therefore, we have a different kind of file that looks like this here. And I'm configuring it here in Twilio markup language bins, which is basically a place where you can host your XML files, which like gives you the opportunity to not use a backend or not create a dedicated backend. And this is pretty awesome if you do not have any backend or just don't want to create one. Yeah, basically you just have to create a file here, and then you're gonna get this link where the file is being hosted. You then have to create a new Twilio client. The Twilio SDK for that is pretty straightforward, to be honest. And you can then just create a call using this syntax here. And here you have to add the URL where the XML file basically is being hosted. And then you have to add from and to. And from is basically the phone number that you have configured in Twilio. And the to is the receiver number. And that's basically it. When you then run this code, as you can see here, we can see the call ID. And after we've done that, we're basically done with the whole process. So this is basically how you create an automated voice message using Twilio.